Hi, so after a few years of using my Dyson V12 Detect Slim, it started doing this every freaking time I was trying to use it. This shifted between that the filter needs cleaning and this somewhat more dramatic message stating that the Airways was blocked. Turns out though, they were. However though, not where Dyson says you should go and try and clean the machine. So if you have also encountered this issue, then this might be the solution for you as well. First, remove any accessories and empty the dust from the vacuum cleaner. Then open the bin by pushing the red lever underneath like normal. Now push down on the tab with the 1 symbol and remove the whole dustbin from the motor part. Here just make sure that nothing is actually stuck in the inlet suction part of the vacuum cleaner. Also here, just to be extra sure, unscrew the filter from the back to make sure that it's not filled with dust or dirt. If all checks out here and all the parts are clean, but the issue still persists, then the next part is to take a closer look at these stupid small holes up the top that on my V12 was completely shut and filled with dust. In my case here, I used a little wooden spatula to just scoop up as much dirt as possible out of the tiny compartments surrounding the top of the machine, like so. Eventually, I also tapped the motor part lightly against the side of the sink where an unholy amount of dust just kept coming out. Lastly, I also used another vacuum cleaner to suck the last bits of dust out of these small holes. And after thoroughly cleaning the other parts like normal, including the filter, and then putting everything back together, at least my vacuum cleaner was as good as new. So yeah, this seems like a bit of a stupid design, to be honest. How Dyson does not mention this in their own cleaning videos and tutorial, I have no idea. But yeah, this at least solved it for me, and hopefully it can for you as well. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye.